Numatic OCS. Now this is actually got the wrong base on it, as I brought just the lid only from a well-known eBay seller. It's very scratched up, but it does work, and I suppose it's something to have for the collection. That's from 1994, and it's actually an NV370, but it's on a 200 NRV base. So as you can see, it says OCS on it. OCS stands for Office Cleaning Services. There's a plate here. Let me just bring that up for you. There we go. Office Cleaning Services. Don't have the original cable on it. The original cable was knackered, so I put this one on it. It came with that plug, so I just kept it on. So what we'll do is we'll plug this in over here, and we'll turn it on in a minute. But first we'll just show you around. Yeah, it was just a normal Hoover really. So I've just got the lids. It's all cleaned up, lovely. I've got a filter and a dust bag in there. So yeah, let's just put this on. Put the hose on it. Just give him a quick go in this area that we've got. I'll screw the hose on. So here we go. Quite powerful. Right, so instead of just sucking up air, what we're going to do is give this machine a quick little shredded paper test, see how it will cope. So here we go. So now if you watch my usual videos you probably know how to do. It's got exactly the same DAF as my Blue Henry in it. Cream Brown Henry's got the exact same motor. Medivac's got the same motor. My very first MV250, both my MV250's got the same motor. So you know, it's standard. But anyway, there we go. So I thought I'd just do a quick video on my OCS for you. So I did post a teaser on my Instagram page showing the machine. So yeah, there we go. Thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe for more videos, and bye for now.